If I take like, I don't know, a bunch of them.
How many is a bunch?
Probably 10.
10 pairs? Because I was selling.
Ganda to, Super Bowl. Carhartt. St. Louis Cardinals. $5 each. Pangitag ko, hindi ka nang dagang kong kaos balay. Ako kanina kay kanang brand new siya. Kinapaytago. Ay kani Mahatsu. May parita na rin. Ganda lang rin. Maganda rin itong na.
What?
Oh, hangin na siya. Wala nga tagpil. Ang sayo ko.
Iyang yung alari. Si Tia itong Ricardo kay bay-bay.
Oh, lagi iba na siya. Iba na bayad.
Ang bidad eh. Brand new na siya. Brand new so kaya na may limpyo pa man siya. I got all these 4 right here.
Okay, $20.
$20.
You can have another one. Pick it out when you got 5 for 20.
5 for 20? Alright. Appreciate you, sir. Pati na. These Bulls. Kanina lang, Charlotte Hornets. Pero hugaw ni Hornets. Yan natin, pre. Akong gipangita ka na pwede na ako mabaligya. Yung Gucci, pero fake man yun.
No, 12.
Fake ba kanino? Tinuod ba kaning Gucci, no? Tinuod ba kaning Gucci ba? But I doubt. Kanina lang, no? Okay rin eh. Ako lang kwaon, bisag, I don't know. Ako ni pa-legit check. Of 5 for 20.
This is nice. Yeah, I was looking. Yeah, I got some good ones.
How much is this?
A brownie.
$10.
Half price. These things are pretty pricey. I didn't realize, you know, the brownie. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, that's good. This is good too.
Ganda to. $10 for these? I'll take this one for $10, man. But let me look around. What else do you have?
This in for 5.
What is this? It's a...
Yeah, it's like an MP3 player, but one of the first ones. It hasn't. It's open box, but it hasn't been used.
$5?
Yeah, $5.
I'll take that for 5. What's this boots right here?
They're just regular boots.
Regular boots.
$5. They're like plastic.
Yeah. Oh, what is this?
You ever mess with these, bro?
Nah, man, that's too big. What is this?
Hey, you're like no more kids.
Right? Oh, this is vintage, huh?
Hey, $5 for this, bro. Hey.
I got two.
It's a decent one.
I got too many of these.
You got too many?
Well, I don't know.
Look it up. You never know.
$5?
5 can't be 5.
Let me see. This could be good. I don't know.
$5 for this too.
Yeah, 21.
It's sealed.
I'll pass on this.
Okay.
How about for this guy right here?
Those.
I wonder.
Two for 5.
I wonder if they sell, huh?
2 for 5. It's that jump backs. That's what I'm thinking, but you never know.
Yeah, it's old. It's 1990.
These are pewter and brass. Like,
Yeah, pewters would be good.
And all brass.
How about all 3 for 5? You got 3 here. So 5, 10, 15, 25. I think I'm gonna pass on those, man. Okay. I'll just grab all these, $25.
That's 25 I didn't have.
And how about for this?
That one I'm asking 40.
40? Okay.
It's like 80.
I'll probably get this. GZ Renegade. And this works, right? You know if it works? Nikon. Ganito pre, $50. bucks. 20 bucks.
That's 45. 50.
Okay, tapi 20. 20. How about for the Toy Story?
The big one 5 and the small one 3.
5 and 3, okay. Anong dito ba? Ito na lang, 20 bucks ang Nikon. Let's go. Alright, pre, so ito yung ang camera na to. Ang ganda pala, pre, ang sa loob, ang dami ang mga accessories. So ito pa lang, itong camera nito, kumpleto yan. Ito at saka yung charger niya. Isang actually may 3 battery to. So ang gagawin ko nito, itong complete na to, may screenshot yan. Mabibenta to siguro mga $50. Kumpleto to eh. Charger, 2 battery. So pwede ko ilista yan, $50 plus shipping. And then ito pre, extra na lens. At saka mayroon siyang anong tawag ito. Hindi ko nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag nito, parang extension or something, hindi ko alam. So siguro mabibenta ko to mga $20 ang set na to. And then mayroon din mga 3 memory card na 128 MB. So ang isa nito mabibenta ko $5 plus shipping. So ito pa lang $15 na to. Ano itong SanDisk na to, mabibenta ko rin to siguro mga $10 plus shipping. So actually ayos na ayos itong hole na to. $20 yung bili ko nito. So ito pa lang balik puhunan ako nito. And then the rest profit na din. Kompleto po, may manual pa mga pare ko eh. Alright, so yeah, continue tayo sa video pre. Let's go.
Hey.
Ese, dame unos 50, man.
50?
Hey.
Is this new?
It's not new, obviously. I used it a couple of times.
Okay.
I used it a few years back. And I was trying to download the software again and everything, and I was having issues with my computer. I don't know if it was a computer, but it had worked before. You know, I used it like maybe about 2 years ago.
Okay.
I used to just mess with it, play around with it. And now it's just been sitting there.
I'll think about it, but I'll get this for 10 bucks, the shoes.
10?
Yeah, that's what she said.
She said 10?
Yeah, she said 10.
All right, that's
Yeah. Yeah.
It was like, I was asking 15 for
No
that. ¿Cómo? Son Samsung. Las puede poner, pero no tiene
Thank you.
Esta ocupa
Okay.
Doc Martens.
Está bien.
Thank you. I'll think about this.
All right, brother.
All right, thank you, man. Tractor control. You take 40, man?
Yeah, I give it 40.
40 bucks?
Yeah, just turn around.
All right, man. I'll get it for 40. Kumusta mga pare ko? Kumusta? Break muna tayo. Shout out muna sa Bohol family at saka sa Cooltech Refrigeration. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Pre, ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog. Medyo naging busy ako. So pasensya na. So hopefully magpipick up ulit. Isa yung reason na yung nagiging busy ako. Secondly is mahina talaga sa garage sale at saka sa flea market. So hopefully magpipick up ulit this weekend. So yun pre, so yung panoorin nyo itong continuation sa video na to, grabe, daming Carhartt pre. Ang daming Carhartt na nabili ko, sulit na sulit, ang quality, ang gaganda. So yeah, ano tawag ito, continue natin sa video. Pero bago natin i-continue pre, i-follow nyo ako sa Facebook ko. Ito yung screenshot ng Facebook page ko dahil sa Pasko. May sorpresa ako doon. So, i-follow nyo ako. Follow lang dahil nako, sa Pasko pre, masaya. Alright, let's go. Continue natin sa video. Let's go.
Bad for Carhartt pants.
That's not bad. Will you give me a deal if I take, like, I don't know, a bunch of them?
How many is a bunch?
Probably 10.
10 pairs? Because I was selling them for 15 and it's 10.
It's already 10.
I'll do 80 for 10 pairs.
80 for 10.
Yep.
Alright.
They're all big boy sizes.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, like the smaller ones.
Oh, no, you're not going to find them here.
What's the smallest you have?
42s and 38s.
You got a 32 here.
Yeah, okay. Every once in a while you get a pair. But pretty much, here's some more. I had them on the table because another guy was looking at buying all of them. But
Okay.
He hasn't come back. So if you can find 10 small pairs, there you go.
80 bucks?
80 bucks.
Carhartt. What size is this? I'm gonna show you one.
This girl's fixing to go home.
So I got 1, 2,
I have all sorts
3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. I think I'm just gonna get 6.
So it'd be 60.
How about 50?
All right, because you gave me a smile. There you go. Everybody smile.
Thank you. Ang lakas ng audio dito. So ma-copyright tayo dito. So yan, namimili ako niyan. Hindi ko yan binili lahat. Kasi yung pinipili ko lang yung mga medium, mga large, ganun. Hindi na ako bibili ng mga yung mga malalaki kasi ang hirap ibenta. So yun, ang gaganda ng mga kulay niyan, pre. Mga unique yung mga colors. Then kagaya din yung mga pants kanina, hindi ko din binili lahat. Binili ko lang yung mga yung mga okay na size, mga size 32, yung mga size 40, ganun hindi ko na binili. So yan, piling-pili ko yan. Ang quality niyan, pre, ang gaganda. So solid na solid yung finds na yan. So yan, pre. Okay na okay. Balik ako sa flea market. Sana magpipick up ulit. Ang garage sale lang yung pinaka-importante. Flea market, mayroon pa yung garage sale. Mahina talaga. So hopefully this weekend magpipick up yung garage sale. Alright. Let's go. Hey, salamat sa support nyo, ha. As in, maraming salamat. Ingat kayo dyan. And then again, subscribe kayo. Kayo sa Facebook ko. Bye-bye.